When I came to UAE on 2015 August, it was peak summer, and same time in Kerala it was peak monsoon time. There was continuous 2-3 days rain, and came to UAE and I couldn't adjust the transition. So I started to search about the rainy condition in UAE, and I came to know that there is rain happening in UAE during peak summer. And I started to explore the possibility to chase the rain, enjoy the rain. People, they don't believe, actually they believe that rain is happening only during winter time, that is like from November to February or March. They think that the rain is happening only during that time, but the reality or the fact is rain is happening during peak summer. Okay, especially June, July, August, we are getting at least once in a week the rain.